Hey guys, we're back here. We're gonna continue on Dark Brother quest line, doing the final quest here. Hail Sithis. So, talk to Nazir. Let's do that. What's up, girl? I like how everything's fucked, but there's still this book here. Okay, Nazir.
By Sithis, what a mess. What? Well, what did she say? Amand Motier? But
Yeah,
that would
Amand Motier.
You mean there's still a chance? But how? All right. But when you're done, there's no use returning here, is there? Listen, when you're finished with this and come back with a barrel full of gold, huh?
Okay,
My girl, pack your
let's go
things.
talk to Amand Motier.
I was hoping you'd say that.
How do I get out this way? Okay. I didn't know if it was like blocked off from the fire. Let's go. There might be still some Pentis Oculus agents out here because I don't think I killed them all on my way in, but we'll have a look. We'll see what's here. Okay, no, I don't see anybody. I think all the fire barrels and everything are all gone. Like, this place was all cool and set up. Anyways, so let's go to Whiterun. $276,000 gold. Oh my god. Where'd you go, girlfriend? Oh, you're closing up for the night, huh? That's fine. I don't need any more gold. It's just fun to sell stuff. There's what's his name? Rexus. Here to defend Amand. Uskar the Unbroken. Okay. Hey, Amand.
What is it? I said I didn't wish to be disturbed. By the gods. Please, you mustn't think I had anything to do with that. You mean after all that's... Why, this is a stop. The Emperor is still in... If you can get on board that ship, kill Titus Meade II as contracted, I will reveal the location of the dead drop that holds your payments.
Alright. Skyrim and we fight all our lives until something God beckons, every one of us dies. Okay. I don't know why I'm cheese wheel. Gold. John Battleborn. Let's roll. All hail to Ulfric. We are the king. Alright. Kataraya. So it's just off the shore of, I guess, the Dainty Sload is probably the closest place to get there. You can't go to the Palace of the Kings because it's outside Solitude. There might be people here actually looking at me though. If I, yeah. We'll take Shadowmere for a ride. Might as well take her for a ride. She hasn't been for a ride yet, so. Right along the coast here. So there it is on the map. You guys can see it. Actually, maybe we'll wait until daytime so at least we can see a little bit better. Get off this. Get this Nern route. Slash up some Horkers. Is there another one? Get him, Shadowmere. Perfect. Okay, which one's my one-handed? It's 3? Okay. There it is. That's where we're heading, guys. To Kataraya. You guys didn't know Kataraya was one of the earlier empresses, I guess, of Tamriel. There was 2. There was Kataraya and Kataraya 2, I believe. I'm not exactly sure. So this is how you get in here. You can ask him, Amand Mortier, and he'll tell you. But you can just... I know how to do it, so I'm just gonna go do it.
Someone there?
No? That was a little awkward. As soon as I came on, he fucking saw me. Okay, we're good.
Thought I heard something.
Did anybody see him walk past me? I didn't see him walk past me. Oh, they give you like a sneak potion. That's kind of cool, actually. I bet you that's there always. I bet you they set that up so you can be a little sneakier. Let's use it. Let's use it for posterity. 10% harder to detect. Do do do. Later. Anybody over here? Maybe I should pick some pockets. Oops. As soon as I killed that guy, the grindstone stopped. Okay. Or the forge stopped clanking. Oh, wow. Got him. I've never actually thoroughly searched this area, so I don't know.
What was that?
That was pretty cool. Came around the corner, I just freaking marked him. Now, I understand it's the Emperor's ship, so it's gotta be pretty nice, but this place is freaking decked out. A lot of garlic just sitting everywhere, though. It's kind of weird. Alright. Sounds like the forge is in here. I like how I get caught pickpocketing. Like, oh, a lot of shit in here. Alright. Got over here some jail cells. Yeah, I've never like really searched this place very thoroughly. I feel like by the time I always get here, I just rush through this area really fast. Yeah, like, look at all this stuff. So one thing we are gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go on deck because there's a saber up there I want. So I'm gonna drop a quick save, but I shouldn't be a problem. We should just slaughter all these guys. Yeah, let's do this. Dead. Dead. No. Dead. Let's grab our weapons out and do some fucking. Oh, let me up here. Yeah, exactly. Well. I'm gonna quick save before I go for this, just in case I fall off, because I don't want to fall off of this. So the weapon we want is right at the end there. You guys see it sticking out of the, I don't know what you call this, the mast? I don't know. Wind shear. So wind shear is kind of a cool weapon. I've always liked it. Bash attacks made with this weapon have a chance of knocking enemies down. So if you get like a cool shield on, you can like bash it and it will like, you know, knock people right on their ass. Alright, cool. Yeah, there's like all kinds of cool stuff in here. There's a book just called King. I wonder what it's. What is it, skill book? Oh, a two-handed skill book. Huh. I don't really ever suspect we'll be going two-handed, so I'm not too upset that we used that. Alright, back in. Back down we go, I think. So I don't think this is where we came out, so this might actually... Hey, look. Oh. I think there's a guy we can kill to get the key for this, but I don't need to kill any guys to get the key for this. My lockpicking is impeccable. See? Look, I didn't need to move it at all into master level lock.
And once more I prove Commander Monk. The fool. I told you, you can't stop the Dark Brotherhood.
this far just to stand there gawking.
Yeah, you're probably right.
But of course, you and I have a date with destiny, but so it is with assassins and emperors. Yes, I must die, and you must deliver the blow. It is simply the way it is. But I wonder, would you suffer an old man a few more words before the deed is done?
I think so. Let's see what he says.
You will kill me. I have accepted that fate, but regardless of your path through life, I sense in you a certain ambition.
I am the last known Dragonborn.
I ask of you a favor. An old man's dying wish. While there are many who would see me dead, there is one who set the machine in motion. This person,
Ah, Amon de Mortier.
if she must be punished for their treachery. Once you've been rewarded for my assassination, I want you to kill the very person who ordered it. Would you do me this kindness? Thank you. Now, on to the business at hand, I suppose. Well, I won't fight you.
Is there anything you think I should kill him with, guys? Let's use the Blade of Woe
May as well get this over.
for Astrid. So there's all kinds of cool loot around here, as you guys can see. I'll grab some stuff. Tomato soup, nice. I love tomato soup. I think there's something in here that's... Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here, as you can see. Lots of gems. Ooh, flawless ruby rings. Where is it? Is it behind the door? I thought there was something in here that's, like, unique. Gilded wrist guards. What the fuck are gilded wrist guards? Oh, they're like a type of glove. Huh, those are interesting. Alright, what else we got in here? Orc's gauntlets. What's we got? Ultimate healing. That was a bunk bed for a second. I was saying, why the fuck does the Emperor have a bunk bed? For some reason I thought there was something unique in here. Just a glass weapon. Yeah, he's got a copy of a Dark Brotherhood book. He knew. He knew we were coming. Yeah. And all this stuff, like you can take all these bowls and goblets and stuff if you really want. But... Alright. I think that's it. I don't see anything else I want. And we're out. Report to Amon Mortier. Let's go back to Amon and see what he's up to. I'm gonna kill him, I think, as per the Emperor's request. Because I don't really like that guy to begin with. So, I'll make sure. Oh, I'm having like a visual bug here. I should probably quick save. At least it looks like it. Yeah, like the textures are all missing in this area. Okay, well, I quick saved. Probably no way to fix this unless I restart Skyrim, and I'm not going to be doing that, so. Hopefully she doesn't crash on us, boys.
Come on in. We got warm food,
There we go, it's good in here.
and warm beds.
Someone stole your sweet roll. So, one important thing to do before you talk to this guy if you plan on killing him is close the door.
Aha! You're back. I know. I received the news not moments ago. My friend, you may not realize it, but you have... but you care. Your payment waits for you at a debt. Now please, go. Collect your money. And let us never look upon one
She's got anything I can pickpocket off him.
another again. Our business, thank the gods, is concluded.
We did have a deal.
This is a
So it's of no concern.
songs I ever heard. Ragnar the Red.
It's best just to find a guard. Like I said, Thieves Guild influence.
Can make all your problems with the guards go done. Now move along. Before you get me in trouble.
Gotta like the Thieves Guild influence. Okay, we're gonna go get our reward in Volenrud. It's still bugged out back here. That's so weird. It's just this area. I'm like falling through the level. What the fuck is that? Ooh, lavender. Or no, mountain flowers. Weird.
You mix potions, right? You brew me an ale?
No, I can't brew you an ale, you freaking bozo. Alright, retrieve the payment. Where's Volenrud? It's around here somewhere. I think. I can't remember where it is. Oh, there it is. Brew you an ale. Stupid guard. Ooh, mountain flower. We did. I don't know if we had a deal that I wouldn't kill you, Mond. I kind of just kill whoever I want, you know. Are those all blue mountain flowers? Are there like 10 blue mountain flowers here? If so, it's a good thing to know. All the things you keep track of. Alright, so retrieve the payment over here. This is where we met Amon Mortier. People don't remember that. I think it's 20 G's? Yeah. 20 G's! Alright, what else in here? I thought I would do in the Volenrud quest, but I don't really care about it. It's not really a very fun quest. Just go collect some ceremonial weapons and you get a reward for it. Alright, let's go talk to Nazir. Who is at the Dawnstar Sanctuary now, because that's where our new place is. Without Cicero. No more Cicero. Do. My dagger's away. Night Mother's here. This is going to start the Eternal quest too, so that's always fun.
Well, what word of the Emperor? Truly? Could you have brought us more wondrous news, despite your Now, of course, I must ask. Killing the Emperor...
I wonder why it matters. I'll lie.
Ha! Clearly we should have...
I don't know why it matters.
Bastard years ago. Now, might I... Mallory's an expert... You do that, and I'll see what I can do about recruiting some new additions to our family.
Okay. We're gonna go...
It is done.
You know I can say so.
Emperor Titus Mead II lies dead.
Yep.
The Dark Brotherhood yet lives.
Yep.
But our work is just beginning. Approach me, listener, and hear my words.
So this is gonna start the quest, the Dark Brotherhood Forever. So this is like a raiding quest. It's like never ending. She just constantly will give you new people to kill, and they're people of no consequence. It's like it'll just be like it's like a person they almost add in addition to like the city. It'll be like go to Whiterun and kill this person, and it's like Traveler too. It's pretty much.
You have committed crimes against Skyrim and her people. What say you in your defense?
When did I do that?
I can make all your problems with the gods go away. But done. Now, move along, before you get me in trouble.
When did that happen? Do you guys remember me? What? I haven't been to Riften in so long, I feel like. How did that happen? Whatever. Is this because I killed, what's his name? Mercer Frey. Oh, there's a thief here. I'm just picking flowers, guys. You do what you want, alright? Alright, let's roll. Let's go down and talk to Delvin. What is that? To leave their shit laying around. I don't know who did that. It wasn't me. What's up, Niran? Let's go talk to Delvin. Let's sell them. We can sell some stuff over here too, actually. Oh, he's asleep. It's fine. Is Tanelia awake?
If you're looking, stick to the rule. I've got coin and I've got merch.
Yeah, so we got all these fancy, oh, I got some dragon bones and scales. It's probably weighing me down big time. Sure, take a tip. Oh, we're so close. Alright, we're gonna go sell some more stuff. I want to get to 300,000. 300,000 will be the most gold I've ever... Oh, no one's awake. What the fuck, dude? 300,000 would be definitely the most gold I think I've had in Skyrim. I don't think I've ever got, like, higher than that. And we have probably another 150,000 just in items to sell in other other spots, like in our chest at home and stuff. Oh, you're up.
I've got all sorts. Take a look.
Do you have 1,000? You do. Perfect. Got some gems for you, buddy. There's a ruby. Oh, you can take one more. How high is our speech? Are we almost at 100? 97 and a half. Wow.
Until next time.
That might be the highest I've ever gotten my speech as well. I don't think I've ever gotten to 100. Alright. Doom, doom, doom.
Always a pleasure, boss. What can I do for you?
I'm sure he's... I know it.
Charleston was gratified at his very much. Burning at the guild, I'm going to tell you. When you walk through the guild...
That's weird. Okay.
The Dawn Star Sanctuary. Is that where you... What exactly are we talking about here? Banners, huh?
Sure.
Trying to pretty... Alright.
I'm just gonna pay for everything. Poisoner's Neck.
Tell me what you need.
Just get it all.
Alright. What's your...
Secret entrance.
Tell me what you need.
Master bedroom.
Chamber fit for a king. I'm afraid that's it, my friend. I've done all I can.
Perfect.
Place is at least livable.
20. It cost me 20 grand for that. All that crap. Oh, why'd I go into the Ratway vaults? I don't want to go in here. I want to go check out our new digs now that we're done the Dark Brotherhood quest line. Alright, let's go check out our new digs by approaching the Night Mother. So, see, I think there's a secret entrance now, because I could go in there, but I think I can... I'm going to go look for the secret entrance. Because I think I purchased it. Knowing me, there'd be another dragon in Dawnstar. It's like there's a dragon every goddamn day. Yeah. Secret entrance. Secret entrance, yeah. Cool, eh? And boom. You're dead. You're right in. Just go in right through the picture. So they did a lot of cool upgrades. This is one of the best... this is the Poisoner's Nook that we paid for. So Imp Stool, Nightshade, Swamp Fungal Pod, Death Bell, Chorus Eggs, Mirror's Rot, Canis Root, Giant Lichen, I'm not sure what those are used for. And then there's as well, this is some big stuff. 3 River Betty, 2 Foamers, and 2 Human Flesh. Those are some of the best Poisoner's ingredients you can get. Next, these are Dark Brotherhood Initiations. So, most followers level with you, right? But they also have a cap. Like, certain followers can only make it to, like, I think Lydia goes to level 30. You know, some of the college initiates go to 60. Dark Brotherhood followers, unless this is fixed with the unofficial patch, they have no level cap. So,
I am yours, mister.
so I just made this initiate my follower. So, you know, I can rearrange their equipment, you know, I can hook them up, we can do, you know, he's got an ebony dagger already, but, like, I can give him Astrid's dagger or something if I want to. But yeah, they have no level cap, so if you get to, like, level 100, there'll still be level 100. Also, there's now prisoners here to torture. For some reason, I don't know what you need to do that, but I've never done it. Kind of weird. So I take the torture tools, can I use them? How does this work? No, it's just... no.
Do this to me.
those back there. Okay. No, okay. And now if you head around here, there's some bedrooms and stuff over here, as well as a master bedroom, I believe. Is it up here? Can't remember where the master bedroom is. Come on, initiate, let's go. Master bedroom this way? Yeah, so there's some side bedrooms. Yeah, this is the master bedroom. You know, it's got some cool stuff. It's got a chest. It's got some gold for whatever reason. A worn shrouded cowl. Bunch of warns. This is all the stuff, worn stuff. Some poisons. Some gems. Cool little weapon racks. You can kind of make this your home. I wonder if you get the well rested bonus or what you get from this. Oh, I just rested. Okay. Where's Nazir? I don't know where Nazir went. Is he sleeping somewhere, or... I feel like usually when I come around, he's usually ready, and I guess it's 4 in the morning. I'll wait until he comes out. Where is he? And then boom. So this is the Dark Brotherhood Sanctuary when it is all finished and upgraded. Anytime you want to receive a new quest, you just go talk to the Night Mother. I wonder if I can close this.
Another child has prayed to their mother.
No, we're good. Alright guys, so...
with the indolent farmer.
Oh.
The Villamere Inn in Iverstein.
God damn it. I thought I had to actually talk to her.
Accept his gold, then kill the target. So begins a contract bound in blood.
Oh wow, this guy will... Boom, 90 light armor. Nice, might as well. Alright guys, so this is Becky's video. This is the end. Unless I feel like I need to go back to this for some reason, like there's something I missed, I'm going to call it here, and I will be starting a new walkthrough. So expect that the day after this video comes out, there will be another new walkthrough with a new character and new everything. And I'm going to try to make it really interesting. So hopefully you guys will catch that, and thanks for watching this walkthrough. Bye.